Hello and welcome to the Listening Post's unboxing channel on YouTube. Today I'm unboxing Rotel's brand new release A11 budget integrated amplifier. This little 50-watt amplifier is a powerhouse and such a good quality amplifier for a new entry-level price. The sound quality is excellent, already getting rave reviews, and the build quality is second to none in its price. So let's have a look. Like all Rotel packaging, it's got a white box, factory sealed with Rotel tape, very little information on the box other than its models, and it has a model and serial number on one side, obviously also an indication of the intended colour inside. Okay. Opening these is really easy, and I mean really easy. Once the factory tape is nicked, it's very straightforward to open it, revealing all of the classic Rotel look and feel that we're so familiar with at much higher price points, trickling down here to the budget end. The first thing, of course, is this printed card, Rotel and its model number, and a basic setup guide so that straight away you can kind of plug it in and get it going. The accessories are protected inside a cardboard tube, stopping them from rattling around in transit and potentially getting in the wrong place. In the tube there is a IEC power cable. It's actually a two-prong, there's no earth required, and the unit's remote control. The remote will operate the basic functions of the CD player as well as the volume and other things of the amplifier as well, and it comes with some AAA batteries. Lifting the amplifier out is relatively easy. This is by no means a heavy amplifier in the grand scheme of things, but its build quality is superb and it's relatively heavy for its physical size. Protecting it in transit is obviously the closed cell foam that you can see, with scallops for the feet to ensure that it's locked in nicely. Removing it from the bag is very straightforward. It's a good quality plastic bag, and it reveals the last of the accessories that come with it, which is the user manual on a CD-ROM, along with some contact information in all sorts of languages should you have a problem. Okay. Looking at the amplifier for the first time and having a wee look as I tip it forward, you'll see a lot of ventilation and other things like that you would expect from an amplifier much more expensive. The build quality, the fit, the finish, the look and feel is exceptional for the price. So let's have a look. The first is its power button. This is a physical switch shutting off the power supply right back to the IEC. There is a 3.5mm headphone output, and beside it the amplifier's A and B speakers. Lovely to see at such an entry-level price a product with the A and B speaker feature. It has input selection of phono, tuner, CD, auxiliary and Bluetooth. It's worth mentioning that this model is absent of the the A12 and A14 digital inputs, although it does have a Bluetooth DAC on board, of course. You've got menu and the ability to scroll through that. That allows you to allocate inputs, turn off unused inputs, put them in a certain order, all of those types of things. And again, great to see that. It's also where you can control bass and treble. If I understand correctly, it may also automatically turn on from sensing inputs, but don't quote me on that one. Over to the side is a Rotary Encoder volume control. So obviously you can spin that to your heart's content. It's not going to reach a stop point. Again, the fit and finish is extremely good. The build quality in the hand is clear, despite its very entry-level price. The unit isn't very deep, doesn't need to be. This is Rotel's standard sort of platform size-wise, and it will fit neatly with the matched radio tuners, CD players and network streamers. Again, looking at it, excellent ventilation, and please hang around for some photographs. I'll try and take some close-ups. Looking at the back, you'll see that it's not really absent of features despite its budget price. It's got an excellent phono stage along with a ground point for the earth strap associated with it. It's got a CD input, tuner, auxiliary 1 and auxiliary 2, all selectable from the front. It has a pre-out enabling this to go to much larger power amplifiers if required, or out to active subwoofers or something along those lines. There's its Bluetooth receiver, And coming along, we've got the means of controlling this from external devices or linking the control from other appliances. We've got input here for control. We've got 12 volt trigger outputs, so this may turn on other devices like a connected CD player or a power amp, and RS232 for two-way control and feedback associated with its operation for multi-room control solutions. Again, because this unit has A and B speakers, it has the binding post for two sets, A being more centralized and B off to one side. And then finally there is an IEC power socket. It's worth mentioning that the speaker outlets are plugged with little plastic caps. These are easily removed if you want to use banana plugs. Just fingers and pull, and obviously discard those immediately. I mean, there's no need to keep them once you have removed them, enabling you to connect with ease with some of the banana plugs and other better cabling options. Okay, so there we have it. Rotel's brand new budget integrated amplifier. 50 watts a channel, Bluetooth, lots of analog inputs, lots of features for its price, excellent phono stage. The Rotel A11 unboxed here at the Listening Post in Christchurch, New Zealand.
Thanks for watching. If you want to see more, subscribe to our channel.